Hi there, this is Dara here from Nurture. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about task codes and how you can use them. So task codes are really useful when you want to share a task you've created with another colleague so that they can use it, or maybe they might share a task code with you so you can use a task they've created. Or if, let's say, you are using Nurture across multiple different classrooms on Teams or on multiple different courses in Canvas, you can create a Nurture task in one of those teams or in one of those courses. You can get the code, and if you want to use it in a different team or course, you can just quickly create it using that task code. So the whole purpose of task codes is to be able to reuse tasks across teachers and across different environments. Okay. So all you need is to enter that task code and it will create it. So to demonstrate what I mean by this, I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to scroll down to a task that I have created in the past. So I'm just going to open up this one and I'm just going to click share task. And this is going to give me the shareable code that I need to enter to create a copy of this. So just copy that code. Okay. I'll just close out of that and go back. Now, if I wanted, I could also click the little share icon on the task card here, and it will open up the shareable code section here. So once I have my task code, I'm just going to click new task, and I'm just going to enter the code into the box here. Just click create task, and after a couple of seconds it should bring me to the screen where I can edit the task any further. Okay, so as we can see, this has brought over all the content from the previous task, the title, the questions, the success criteria, the marking scheme, and anything relevant to the task. It should also bring over the custom instructions, so if the teacher has added specific custom feedback instructions to it, it should also include them here. It's as close as possible to the existing task that the teacher shared, so it should behave the exact same. Now, the only thing obviously it doesn't bring over is student submissions. This is just to help you get started creating a brand new task for a brand new set of students. Okay. Now, I'm not going to cover how to refine or edit the task. That's going to be covered in another tutorial, because that covers all of the different ways that you create a task, whether it's with a task code, starting from scratch, starting from a worksheet. Editing it and refining the task is the same process. So you can check that out in another tutorial. But for now, this is how you start creating a task with a task code.